significant visual appeal to your home. But over time, if not sealed and protected, block-paved driveways and patios will lose colour and fade due to their exposure to UV light, vehicle use, weathering and general wear and tear. Regular pressure washing will also cause and accelerate deterioration of the pavers. BlockMagic Paving Sealer from SmartSeal will not only transform the look of your paving, but also add value to your property and provide long-term protection to your driveway or patio. BlockMagic is not to be confused with a concrete paint. BlockMagic soaks into the pavers, replaces lost colour, and leaves a hardened, sealed surface that is resistant to staining, UV light, weather, and traffic. Unlike a paint-type product, when applied correctly, BlockMagic will not peel or flake and will stay colour-fast for at least 5 years. SmartSeal can supply everything you need to make your driveway or patio look as good as new. A few days after the block paving has been thoroughly cleaned, the recolouring and sealing process can begin in dry weather. First, make sure the product is thoroughly mixed. The application process is simple, using a roller for the main areas and a paintbrush for the edges. Apply one liberal even coat by roller and then leave to dry for 1 to 2 hours. The kiln-dried sand is swept into the joints after BlockMagic has been applied. This avoids colouring of the sand and creating an unnatural finish. A second coat of clear sealer is then applied by sprayer or roller. Apply enough sealer so it can soak deep into the jointing sand. This sets the joints solid and provides even further protection to the block paving.